Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create another page called About Us in your Shopify account. So first thing that we have to do is log in as an admin in our Shopify account, and then we want to focus on left side of our screen where are online store options. The third option underneath the online store is pages, and we want to click on that. Right now, we want to click on add page. We have to give it a title. The title will be obviously about us. You can go with the visibility option, but I would let that slide without a change. Also, default page, not a contact, just the default page. And here we should write some kind of description, who we are and what we are specializing in, so to speak. So let's go with let's go with premium shoe reseller since 2019, for example, and save it. And that's how you can easily add the About Us option. And that's how it looks on your website. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.